Event 1. Approaching the event horizon. As you approach the event horizon of a black hole, the gravitational pull of the black hole begins to become incredibly strong. You'll start to feel an intense gravitational pull towards the black hole, and you'll start to see the stars and other objects in the sky being distorted and stretched out into long, thin lines due to the strong gravitational lensing effects. This lensing effect is caused by the bending of light by the strong gravitational field of the black hole. As you get closer to the event horizon, time itself begins to slow down, meaning that the closer you get, the slower time will appear to pass for you. This is due to the strong gravitational time dilation effects caused by the black hole. This means that, from your perspective, everything outside the event horizon will appear to be moving in slow motion, while time itself appears to be slowing down. Event 2. Crossing the event horizon. As you cross the event horizon, you'll suddenly find yourself in a region of space known as the black hole's interior. This is a region of space that is cut off from the rest of the universe, and it's impossible to see anything beyond the event horizon from this point forward. At this point, you'll feel a sudden change in the gravitational pull, and you'll start to feel yourself being pulled towards the black hole's singularity, or the point of infinite density and zero size at the center of the black hole. You'll start to feel an immense amount of pressure and heat as you get closer to the singularity, and you'll start to see the fabric of space and time itself being distorted and stretched in all directions. Event 3. Falling towards the singularity. As you continue to fall towards the singularity, you'll start to experience more and more intense gravitational effects. The fabric of space and time will be stretched and distorted to the point where it will become completely unrecognizable, and you'll start to feel an intense pressure and heat as you get closer and closer to the singularity. At this point, you'll start to see that the black hole's interior is not a static, unchanging environment, but instead a dynamic, ever-changing region of space that's being distorted by the intense gravitational forces present. You'll also start to see that the black hole's interior is full of strange and mysterious objects, such as gravitationally collapsed stars and strange, exotic objects known as gravitational lenses. Event 4. Passing the singularity. As you pass the singularity, you'll suddenly find yourself in a completely different region of space. This is a region of space that is cut off from the rest of the universe, and it's impossible to see anything beyond the singularity from this point forward. In this region of space, the laws of physics as we know them break down completely, and you'll start to experience some of the most extreme gravitational effects that are possible. You'll start to see objects being pulled apart and distorted in strange and mysterious ways, and you'll start to feel intense pressure and heat as you continue to fall deeper into the black hole. Event 5. Reaching the central singularity. Finally, as you reach the central singularity, you'll experience the ultimate fate of objects that fall into a black hole. At this point, the gravitational forces present will be so strong that they will completely crush and destroy anything that falls into the black hole. You'll experience the complete collapse of the fabric of space and time, and you'll be completely obliterated by the intense gravitational forces present. This is the ultimate fate of all objects that fall into a black hole, and it's a journey that's both